$500 payment here this morning. Got a $500 payment again this morning. And this is completely on autopilot. All right, so $1,000 yesterday, the same thing. 500, 500. 500, 500. And this goes on and on.
So there are my total commissions in 13 weeks with Instant Cash Solution, $9,300 by just copying and pasting pre-written ads from home on a very part-time basis.
Within an hour, I had one ad up on Craigslist, a beautiful ad on Craigslist. Within 24 hours, I had 19 people knocking on the door. And out of the 19, 7 have joined. Are you kidding me? This is the simplest system I've ever used. This is the fastest response I've ever had with any system they use.
On the 8th, I really didn't start to advertise until about the 11th or 12th. And then every day thereafter, every day almost thereafter, I got a sale or two. So I just want to show you, if you are looking to generate $500 per day online without any experience, this is the system right here. Okay, so as you can see, a little over $10,000 here. And
But again, within 7 days, made some money, keep making money, and look forward to making even more money.
My first week, I did just a little posting, and I made 2 gold sales.
Almost everybody would like to make a nice income from the comfort of their own home, very part-time. This company has a back office unlike anything I've ever seen. There's all the training, all the tutorials, everything's there. Plus, what's even better than that is I'm a sponsor to a lot of people. I've had great success with this in a very short amount of time. It's extremely affordable. Where else are you going to get something like that that has this much support? To get somebody who wants to have a home-based business, may not know all the ins and outs about it, but all the training, all the support is right there. So you, anybody, literally, if you have a computer and internet connection, you can start making money.
all right, so last month, April, over $21,000. Okay, and as you can see, over $500 per day, almost every day. I've had some huge days there, $19,000. And this is a very easy copy and paste ads system. And
it's a great stepping stone to create a phenomenal income eventually online. It takes a while. I realize no one's going to be a millionaire with this company. That's not what it's about. This is for people who want to make that extra $700 to $1,000 a week, $1,500 a week. You know, eventually build it into $7,000, $10,000 a month. That's what this is for.
ads. All right, so you'll see for yourself how simple and easy this is. And they're going to provide you with all the tested and proven ads, okay? All the display ads, all the classified ads, all the Craigslist ads. They're all in the back office here. And instructions and training. There's so much stuff back here. It's incredible.
And if you really want a business in a box, because this